Sam from Burleigh Laminated Benchtops. I just wanted to let you know we don't just make bench tops here. We also make cut-to-size laminate doors and panels and splashbacks. We can also do cut panels and get them 2-pack for you in doors or panels, drawer fronts, whatever you need. We've also got a great range of splashbacks that we can do for your plan to make your kitchen remodel perfect. So come and visit our showroom at 39 Dover Drive and we'll pick the doors and panels with you that suit your kitchen remodel. Or email us at info@laminatedbenchtops.com.au and we'll price up your door and panel quote within 24 hours, and then you can come in the showroom and discuss it further with us. Our cabinet makers here can give you all the advice you need for a supply only order, so you can fit the panels and doors yourself, or we can organise installation for you.